Jacob.Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City. I want to talk to you about this great opportunity here about this Lance, this 2014 Lance 1575. And what we have here is a pre-owned unit. It's a super great opportunity. It's under 3,000 pounds. Total weight is still under 3,500 pounds too. So you can pull this with pretty much anything. And it's still really great quality, and Lances stand up for their durability and their construction. You have a really big tank off the front. A really big window as well. That window does open up, offers a great cross breeze and light throughout this entire trailer. An enormous amount of storage here, as you can see. An enormous door, plus if you just have a peek inside, massive amount of storage there. You can see some of the structure of the trailer there, the aluminum frame, and really hardy quality on all the surfaces, and real wood too. And that storage is actually accessible from the bed, under the bed inside as well. Double rack and pinion on a deep slide on this guy, 15-foot, 7-inch floor plan. You have a huge deep slide, which is a really big rarity in trailers of this length. Still have storage from the outside here that's in that slide. A lot of opportunities to store a lot of stuff and to bring it with you. You have a rear window here, which is really nice. So you actually have a true line of sight all the way through this trailer, which really offers a lot of light. Like I said, small space, but it makes the interior feel really big. You have a really large awning here. And let's go inside and see how Lance builds them. You have your east-west bed right up in front. A really nice thing, surrounded by windows too. But they do this really smart thing by putting these cassette blinds in here, and you have a true blackout shade, or you can have the mesh as well, or you can just open it completely up and let all the air kind of blow through. Really nice reading lights, super bright LEDs throughout here too. You have a really big fridge, a freezer, and a fridge as well. Like I said, this is a pre-owned unit, super clean, really well maintained, and it actually speaks really well to the Lance's quality of construction. A lot of hanging closet space in here. Plus, as you see, these right here are actually some blinds for anything that's up top. So you can actually clip those in and get a true blackout in here. I like to sleep when it's dark, and I don't kind of like the light to invade, and this trailer offers the opportunity to do so. A really big single basin sink, nice hardware on your faucet there. Plus, this unit does not have an oven, but it does still have the 3-burner stove. When you remove the oven, you get a ton more storage here. People are always asking about where they put their pots and their pans, deep stuff, and that right there is your unit. You have a lot of storage underneath as well. Lance does really smart things. I mean, they think about how people are going to use it, and their design follows through on that too. You have your microwave up top, plus your hood, and right here you have your massive U-shaped dinette. When this converts into a bed, it's a really big sleeping area, and there's also storage underneath either side, plus up top as well. Skylight up top. Again, this can be dampened. Light can be dampened with that, or it can be completely blacked out with those clip-in shades as well. Window off the rear. It's a huge rarity to have a line of sight through any trailer, and especially in something that's of this size, it makes it feel so much bigger inside. And you have your bathroom off the rear as well. You have a really nicely sized medicine cabinet, plus you have a dry bath here. So your shower is really nicely sized as well. And that bar articulates out, and so the shower curtain doesn't really even get close to you in there as well. If you have any questions about this Lance or any other rig we have on lot, stop on by and say hello.